welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Michelle. Now, Michelle is talking about some things, and it's interesting. She's talking about stagnancy. Now, you know that has been in the media about people saying people are stagnant. So, Michelle is out here. She's saying that when people are using this word, they do not understand or they do not know the meaning of the word. And that's the reason why they're saying people are stagnant, because she's saying that people are moving every day. Stagnancy is something that basically don't move. It's sitting in one place and has no. So she's saying that Marcia is happy. Marcia is not stagnant because she's living her life. Even if Marcia is living somewhere else other than what people think, then she's still living her life and she's happier than she's ever been. And she's saying that she isn't stagnant because even though she went to England and she's just now trying to get her degree after she had her diploma, then she's not stagnant either because she's moving ahead in life. She's saying that social media personals, people who are on social media, that are known on social media, are not stagnant because they're doing something. So go ahead and watch the video and see what Michelle has to say about this word, stagnancy, and the comments that people are making on our page. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Comment in the comment section. Now was there, it's still there, where this person, apparently this person is a Plankatarian, right? He's not a Plankatarian, he's not a Royal, he's not a Goody Bops, he's not a Squaddy, he's not a National, he's not a Graduate, he's none of them. You understand? He's none of them. So, we can't talk about anything or anyone at any given moment, right? If you're a public figure, especially if you're a public figure, I can speak about you. You understand? So don't think so never come and say, okay, don't talk about me. Nah. I can. I've done my research. I've seek legal advice. I can. As long as me not defame. And okay, let's pause for a second. Nobody defamed no one. You understand? Things happen in the media for a reason. I'm telling you, say in time to come. You see how many times me keep mentioning it? In time to come, me go, hey, someone wanna go shame, you see? Someone wanna Plankatarians to come and I'm like wildfire. Someone wanna go shame when me come and explain certain things. It's the same like when me have to apologize. It seems enough I wanna go come and apologize. Just hang tight. Anyways. So now, this lady come on my comment section and she say, can't you me open up my life though, you know? Right. Well, no, me not really open up my life, but just I show a little bits here and there. Because I still have to be smart, I still have to hold back a little, you know what I mean? So, I think what Mashar Khan is the fact say, me not pay for certain things. So she assumes say me I live off of the government. I'm living free. She don't know how I come by certain things, you know. Yeah. So she just assumes that everything we get off of the government is free. You poor thing. I wish you would do your research or maybe go back into some of my videos and watch. Then you would have maybe understand. So anyways, she know with her hating herself, which I don't even understand how you people say me hateful or I'm a bad mind or anyways. She now come and clearly she not so happy with fear life. So she a go tell me say, me live off of the government and me is just like Marcia Campbell, where we're very stagnant, right? Because we live in a subsidized housing and that's how we get things from the government free. And that's how me able to live, hop, skip and jump from one tree or something of the sort. Something like that. My answer. After my answer, she sent me one long message say how she have accolades, marmalade, Kool-Aid, you know, all kind of age she have. And what she be, she have CNN, BSN, MSN, RN, all kind of ends. She have all of these things. And she have house, land, title, car, all of these things. She portray this life, yeah? Which, maybe it's true, because come on. You know, if you're ambitious, you know, you're a go-getter. You know, you're going to seek out these things, especially if you're in the position to do so. But, lady, in all of that where you're saying come, realize you're actually an idiot. You're such a fool. You are such a fool. You see, when you jump on this bandwagon with this stagnant thing, you know, you know, you're stagnant. Someone who just show up on yourself to be less than smart. Less than smart. Me not see nobody at all was stagnant. Something stagnancy is something we're not moving, none at all. And no matter how unsuccessful you are in a life, you are moving. You must move. Something good must take place in your life. Something good must happen. You must have children. You must be no must, but most people, they are parents. You understand? They are good parents, good mothers, good fathers. Right? You must do something good and something positive in your life. Sometimes maybe you're a kind person. Sometimes you help out in your community. Sometimes you volunteer, you know, at your kids' them school. Right? Sometimes you volunteer at one charity shop. Sometimes I want to get up and talk about stagnant. I want to know the full meaning of stagnant and come. And I want to use it for people because I don't want people to feel bad. Me not see who are going to feel bad about that. Who really and truly are going to feel bad about that when you know your life. Circumstances and situation make you who you are. You understand? And your situation don't define who you actually are. Me see me have a family member. And she in the country for 20 years before she get her thing. 20 years. You understand? Would you say that she's stagnant? She get 20 years, she have to spend 20 God almighty years before she could have before she was eligible, because she never have nothing for tire to the country. And she have to get to that 20-year mark before she could get her papers, and she get it. Right? And the only thing where make she could have progressed while she was, you know, undocumented in other countries because she had a skill. She had a skill and she used that skill for earn where she could be able to have something back home. Some people they're not as lucky as that. Some people they don't have a skill. Some people they get cash in hand. You understand that it is not enough for them to even save out it. Right? So what them do? What them get them split it in two, right? Send some back home and the rest are for themselves for surviving in the country until better come. So they when I get up and I use this word stagnant, I feel like say okay because they use it for one set of people, like say other people. Some people now go maybe look on it in some type of way and say, you know what, actually, you know, I feel enough people in and will support me. Them feel like say them now move. You know what it feels like for some to feel like say you're not progressing, and your circumstances make you feel like you're not progressing, and you as a person, why you're not progressing. No? I just a situation. I'm telling you, say, if me did have certain things when me was younger, I said, no, I couldn't chat to me, I couldn't chat to me. I couldn't chat to me, I say. Because my daddy at the top of my game now. And the ambition me have, lady, ambition me have. Why me could I get my papers at a later stage in our life and still get up. I could have stay home and the little man where they here, we have fight for my love. Endlessly, him could have there. Me could have there and look after me. You understand? And be a housewife to my children. You know, be a housewife and a mother to my children and attend to my kids. You understand? I'm like, I could do that. I could be doing that. Me not must have to get up, go work. But I do. I do. I get my papers. I go back, go do my GCSE. I go do my diploma. I apply to uni. 5 university accept me. 5. One of them was unconditional offer. So for sure, I said, me have ambition and me have look at something in my head. So I never have ambition, sweetie. I'm stagnant. If I come to England, I sit down one place and no move. One God Almighty place, I sit down and no move. All when time the world end. It end for me in that one spot. Wanna come on and talk about stagnant and have dash it. Nobody no stagnant in this life. No one no stagnant. Nobody no just get up and choose just to be stagnant and say, you know what, I see stagnancy over there, so me I go choose stagnancy. Nobody at all. Some people they don't care. Some people they just happy with the life what them have. Some people they not interested for go to school. You understand? Some people they're not interested for buy a house. Some people they alright for rent an apartment. Some people they're not interested for drive. Cause some people they have a phobia. Some people they're scared. You understand? Me know people right now are just nervous and just scared, so them stay away from me. You know what I mean? So them not have no ambition because they're not driving, they don't have a car. Me know people who in a big job. When me tell you, say big job and have 2 houses. And they're not driving because of fear. 2 big, nice, beautiful houses and because of fear. That's a raw fear. They're not driving, they don't have a car. So you look on them and say, oh, yeah, the man take a... But tell us, not judge people too much. So if somebody like, see them sit down on the bus and the tube or whatever, and they say, oh, I got big man like that, he not even drive. You don't have no ambition. And poor, you don't know, say this man have more than what you have. Me have a lecturer, somebody will come and teach me, and me and them take the same bus and the tube come home from the same institution where me go. So that a person that would then not drive, she don't have ambition, where she have her big old masters and all sorts. We don't judge people too much based on the things we don't think, so we don't know. And just because they don't come on the media, come brandish this and showcase this. No found no shit. Hey, I just say certain things I want to share with you, you know. I say certain things I would never share with someone. Because someone will cuss me and tell me, say, me bad mind. Uno bad mind. Uno bad mind. And I still not have all of the CNNs and NNNs. Like how you have, lady. But still let me know in my heart, say I'm happier than you. I'm more content than you. I'm contented more than you. Because are you busy in my comment section and kill up yourself. But where you have from where you not have. And you kill up yourself over my stagnancy. Make my stagnancy bother me. Why it bother you? Why is it bothering you? Make me worry about my stagnancy. Make Master Campbell worry about fear stagnancy. I see Master Campbell do her video same way. She look beautiful as ever. And she happy like a Larry. And she use Uno and make money same way. You don't know so she use Uno and make money over the same way. She have her thousands of followers, right? And people are following. And she earn her for Uno idiot. I'm telling the people like we earn more than Uno. We get up and go in and we don't have no masters. And we earn more than Uno. These people, they are content creators. They're earning more than you guys. So who's stagnant? They see an opportunity in a social media and they latch onto it. And you have to wake up early early out of your bed for go to work. For me to go work with people you're not even like. To go to a job where you're not even like. And Master Campbell did wake up now. She still have her side hustle and she turn on her life and she earn a little money. No look she could have earn much more than you. So what is that? She stay in a hotel. How many of us can stay in a hotel? Whether it be motel or hotel or whatever it is. How many of us can do that? Back to back, back to back, back to back. She live life. Me tell you that she happy. She happy. And that's the problem. Enough people don't like to see when people happy. Them she happy after the liquor where she earn. She happy. Me telling her say, me tell her say, in this life, in this world that is so sad and lonely and miserable. You see, once you can find that happiness and that peace within, that's all that matters. Because I pure miserable people I walk around these days, miserable and unhappy. Some of them miserable because the fact that you don't have no man and having a man is not the be all and end all. You understand? But you know, that alone affect you. So you don't have a local companion, you can't even, you know. So okay, it is what it is and live by on yourself and say, you know what? I say go, yeah, man. Everybody never make fear of a man. Some of them are unhappy and miserable because no family member not get along. Some of them are unhappy and miserable because the children they want to produce. And them not get along or them not like. As me say again, the work, some of them want to get up and go to some work who not like, miserable and the people them not like. Yes, Roman? I want to see somebody come. And true them have all of what we have. But them happy in themselves. We hate on them for it. We no just can't stand them. So no feel like so no can go over there go fatigue them. As my grandmother would say, or bother them, or disturb them, or take sick upon them, harass them, bully them, and try to intimidate them. We might have stagnant, but we happy. You hear me I tell you? We might stagnant, but we happy. And we have to come out, come declare what we having at the background. We have to come out, come show you know our bank account. Cause trust me, me no hungry. And my children, them no hungry, and that's one of the greatest thing in this life. You understand? If you know, say, I can provide for my family. That are the main, one of the main things to me, because enough people, you check it in some African countries, how they're starving down there, they don't have what me have, so me grateful. So where bother you, no bother me. You hear me I tell you? Certain things don't affect me. So no make my stagnancy bother you. Right? When you get up around up and down with this word stagnancy, I don't know what they do. I won't say. Because I'm saying I chat too much, I'm going to always